What's up, guys? Back out on my own. New location, new day, warmer day. New targeted species. Hopefully we can get it cracking with the pike today. Coming out here. New rod and reel. Throwing this little Mike Buka bluegill swimbait. And this is the other rod and reel you saw in the last video. Throwing a paddle tail swimbait. I know I cut the head so it kind of fit, kind of looks stupid. I got leaders on both of these since we're only going for pike down here. I don't want to lose a bait. My goal is to catch a new fish, or my first fish, on each one of these rod and reels since they're both new. Haven't gotten the skunk out of them yet. And this is definitely a great place to do it. The ice just melted. These pike should hopefully be in pre-spawn to spawn. Hopefully they're getting active. We're pulling up. We're here at the first spot. Water looks a little high, to be expected with the amount of ice and snow that we had melt. Sunnier today, warmer today. Oh, this water's really clear. This is my first cast with this rod and reel. This one's gonna be my frog rod and reel, but there's not much frogging around here I can do. So, first cast with the new rod and reel. Kind of ran out of braid, so I kind of got a small spool. Oh yeah, buddy, come on. If I even catch one fish today, I just want to catch one on my new rod and reel. So if I catch, oh, there's a pike right here on the bank. Guys, there's a small pike right here on the bank. I don't know how well you can see that. It's just small. Well, that is a great sign. First cast of the day. I don't get a bite yet, but I see one on the bank. I gotta try to keep this off the bottom because it is pretty weedy in this place. I don't even think there's a bluegill in this water here. Only fish I've seen other than pike is like small enough. I had one. My drag slipped though. I literally had a bite second cast. Come on, come back. My drag slipped so bad right there. I really should have checked that. Second cast, I have a bite and my drag slips. That is super unfortunate. Come slam it, please. I don't have a net or anything today. This bait looks so good. Just gonna kind of slowly reel. Hopefully we can hit like that again. My drag slipped so bad on that. Is that a fish? I can't tell if I hit a fish or a small weed right there. That was a fish. I saw him. That was a little guy. I am getting my small swim bait out because I'm getting hit. I think these pike are a little too small. I saw that one. That was smaller than the one I even saw on the bank, and the one I saw on the bank was already small. Second bite of the day, and we've been out here for 3 minutes or so. Where did the bites go? Why are they turning off? Oh, that's a pike. Oh no, it's not. It's a branch. I hooked it, it felt like a bite, and it started moving. I thought it was a fish. But it was just a little branch. Might pick the bluegill back up, because I was getting bites on that. That was a fish. I had a bite. Got him. Let's go. First fish, or first pike of the year. First fish on this rod and reel. Okay. I need to get my pliers out and keep them out. Oh, I forgot my good pliers fell out in the car. This guy choked it. It's unhooked though. There we go. I'm gonna get him back quick because he's bleeding. First pike of the year. Just a little guy. Get him back quick. Release. There we go. Perfect. That was a lot quicker than last time when we were out here to get on a fish. Hopefully that trend continues. One more cast and we'll keep moving. Okay. Keep pushing. Definitely more where that came from. I want to really catch one on this rod, so I'm gonna make it happen before I make any changes. I wonder what they're wanting to eat if they're not going to eat a paddle tail. I guess I need to keep throwing that bluegill swimbait. I will. I mean, I want to find something that will eat on this rod. I don't want to throw a swimbait on this rod like that. Oh, I had one. I see him. He's chasing. He's chasing. Oh, he spit it out. I don't know if you guys can see it. He's gonna eat it. Got him. Oh my gosh. That was so cool. I hope I got that on camera. As soon as I saw him eat it sideways, go on, buddy. Got him. Right through the top lip. Tiny little pike, another pencil. Ate the little swim bait, little paddle tail. Oh, he's trying to get away. Man, that was so cool. I really hope you guys were able to see that. Beautiful. I have the pliers in my pocket. Speed down a little bit. too many spikes here. Alright. Alright. Well, I know I said I really wanted to catch one on this, and technically I did. So I wanted to fight one on it, but if I want to start catching some actual decent pike, probably have to stick to that bluegill swim bait over here. So I'm gonna run back and grab that. Might make a couple casts by it just to see. But if I want to actually catch a quality fish today, I'm gonna stick with this guy for a bit. Slightly bigger presentation. Alright. Let's grab this. Ooh, go down by this tree here. Usually produce some fish over here. Okay. Little block from the wind now. Right on the edge of it. Right up by that tree out there. I've had quite a few bites, quite a few fish. So have my friends. So I'm just gonna cast out that way. Here we go. Looks like another small one. Might be bigger than the other two. It's not really fighting. I can see them. This water's so clear. Can't tell how good he sucked. He came right off. So I guess not that good. He wasn't that big anyways. Let's try it again. Felt good when I set the hook. He just kind of had his mouth open and glided right in. That sucks. I still would have liked to catch him. Let's cast a jakehead out there. See, maybe that pike will come back for a different, slightly different bait. Or maybe I can get a different one. There's some weeds. Lifted up. I was trying to, it felt tight, but I couldn't, I was trying to feel if I had weeds on or if it was a pike. That's a bite. There we go. Doesn't feel that big. It might be the same one. No. Oh my gosh! No. Oh my gosh! It came up again. Came up again and the whole jig head came flying back at my face. That was a jump scare. Gosh, another small one though. Jeez, I'm not really getting too many good hooks in these fish today. Only that first one was the one I really hooked good, but it's 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 4. And then I had like 2-3 other bites that I missed. Strange. Probably a skill issue. And that's a bummer. I hope the camera picked that swimbait up because it was flying back at me at Mach 6,000. If I didn't move, it would have hit me right in the face. Next time I might really set the hook like I'm jig fishing. Maybe I'll have to throw a jig. Oh my gosh, there's a pike behind it. There's a pike behind it. There's a pike behind it. See that? I'm tossing from it. Chase it all the way up. He saw me. Chased it all the way up to the bank. Just for me to try to toss it back, and he saw me. Well, they're biting the swim bait and they're chasing it. Just not really that good. That one looked like the longest one of the day. Although still not very long. Only in the 20s, I'd say, inch-wise. Oh my goodness. That one was a big bite. He pantsed me. Almost. Swimbait's still on the hook. But very, very poorly. Don't know if I stuck him or not, so I'm going to try to toss it right back out there. Hopefully he'll come back for it and bite it again. Oh, yep. I saw him. I saw him try to attack it. He keeps pulling my pants down. Come on. There we go. If I feel a bite, I'm just going to let it sit for a moment. Oh. Got him. That time I think I might have hooked him a little better. Biggest one of the day. Get up here. Yep, largest one of the day. I don't think he even had it in his mouth. I think it was sitting right below him. He didn't know where it went because I set the hook. I could still see my jig head. And guess what? The hook is hooked underneath his lip right here. Thank you. Biggest fish of the day. Still not that big though. Still a little guy. 20s. Toss him back out there. I think that might have been the one that kept terrorizing me. Let's get back out there. Maybe we can catch another one. Yeah, I'm pretty certain that that fish didn't have that bait in its mouth. I saw it sitting right on top of it, and I saw my jig head. I set the hook, and I saw the whole jig head move upwards. Oh, it's white in my face with pike slime. I saw the whole jig head move upwards, and he was hooked right in the bottom of the mouth, like outside. So maybe you could do that again. That was fun. He fought decent, kind of. He tried. He was the hardest fighter of the day. There you go. Got another one. Oh, he's hooked good, I think. Get up here. This guy's super skinny. Ooh, something's wrong with his face. Oh, I just stuck my hand really deep in his gill. Might be bleeding after that one. No, I think it's fine. This guy's super skinny though. I want to see what I'm looking at. Look at that. So skinny. Can you guys see that? Goodness gracious. I'm sorry that wasn't a real minnow for you, pal. There he is. Swimming away. Oh my gosh. I think that was the second cast in a row. See if we can get 3 in a row. That'd be great. I think I might have a fish. I'm gonna hump it. Oh, I'm gonna toss it back out there. The streak ended though, sadly. Seem to be liking this swim bait a little more now. I gotta check my phone. You guys just saw a face reveal of a lifetime there. Nobody's told me I need to go home yet, so I'm gonna fish. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm in weeds. I think I got the weeds off. Well, I'm kind of almost pantsed again. What do you think? Time to switch swim baits? I think we got 1 or 2 more fish. I'm surprised the tail hasn't gotten bitten off yet. I'm gonna take 1 more cast and I think we should keep moving because there are quite a few more spots that we can hit. And I think we pretty much milked this one out. No, we didn't. Let's sneak in here and see if there's any pike hiding in this back corner. And we got more places. I had one. I just had one. He keeps pantsing me. After this fish, if I catch him, I'm going to replace this bait. Crap. I'm on tree branch. Okay, think I can catch a fish with my line in there? I have one. I literally have one, and I'm in a tree. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have a fish.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Okay. So that genuinely is probably the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened in my life. I think I gotta quit fishing after that. I think we just gotta caution tape that off and honestly just say it's illegal to fish. Because whatever that was worse than anything, any crime that could ever be committed. Let's get back out there with this bluegill swim bait. That's a fish. No, it came off. That was a fish though. Not lying about that one. 110%. I tightened it. Okay. Get back out there. Take the backpack off. I'm locking in. If that's how we're feeling today. That right there is weeds I'm touching. So let's go. Let's go, everybody. Just gonna leave my bait caster here for the rest of the time. Right there in the grass. And just get the swim bait out. I say get the swim bait out as if I don't have that on my other rod as well. There we go. And he came off. Okay. I'm just having terrible luck. There's another little one though. Might have been the smallest one of the day. That's weeds. I'm really just trying to set the hook about as hard as I can now. Pissed off, man. I'm pissed off. There's a wake next to my bait there. About 5 yards away. There we go. Finally. He's going for the branches. I got him out. Tiny, smallest one of the night by far. Or maybe not by far. Beautiful hook set though. If you guys can see this, it is right down here. Hold up. Get my finger in there. Right in the middle of his mouth. Don't move, pal. Oh, he unhooked himself for me. Flinched right out of my hand and the hook came right out with it. See, this guy looks a little more healthy. Small. Stop. Thank you, pal. Oop, wrong side. Give me your gill. There we go. Little guy. Honestly, would not be surprised if that was the same one as I just had. Drop it in. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna do one more cast. Kind of down this way, and I might walk back to that one stretch I was at where I started catching a whole bunch of them. Really calm down out here. That was a tree, I think. Oh. I don't think I'm even gonna grab my scale. Just gonna walk to the other side. I was catching them. First cast at the tree. Okay, last cast. Because I need to see getting out of here. I don't got a flashlight, except for my phone. Nope, I didn't tree picture. Okay, so I probably just lost my lure on the last cast. Yep. There, I tied that. Good enough. Well, I'm gonna start walking back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. That was a really fun one. Not many big ones, but you know, there's only so much you can do. It was really fun though to catch a bunch, have a bunch of bites. First real action of the open water season. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Please drop a like. Please comment down below. Let me know if there's anything you'd want me to change. Any new videos, like any new ideas, stuff like that. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. Please stick with me as I try to get out there and catch as many fish. Boat videos are going to be coming soon. Can guarantee you that. Got some cool ideas for the summer and spring. So please stick by and watch those. Should hopefully be coming out soon. Thank you for watching, everyone, and if you guys enjoyed it, stop back for the next video. I gotta get out of here. It's getting dark. It's getting late. I got school tomorrow. So, yeah. See you in the next video.